Welcome to the Innovation Partnership Building at UConn Tech Park. A remarkable 114,000 square foot facility just minutes from UConn's main campus, where small and large businesses connect with faculty experts in state-of-the-art labs to drive scientific breakthroughs and advance innovative products. Through expanding industrial partnerships, we provide educational and economic benefit and create new job opportunities. The IPB, where visions are brought to life. The IPB's ample work, social, and meeting spaces create a unique collaborative environment that encourages cross-disciplinary scientific research and fosters new partnerships. The IPB has 14 collaborative research centers. You will learn about many of these on today's tour. Please visit our website for more information on all of our centers at techpark.uconn.edu. Our broad expertise provides valuable opportunities in applied research for our faculty, research partners, and students. The Institute for Advanced Systems Engineering, a collaboration with Raytheon Technologies, specializes in cyber-physical systems engineering. The Eversource Energy Center has a very different focus. Partnering with Eversource, the center uses highly advanced computational equipment to develop sophisticated models of weather and outage forecasting to improve storm readiness. Another center at IPB is Collins Aerospace Center for Advanced Materials, which focuses on materials development and characterization. Their computational research enhances the design and manufacturing processes for Collins Aerospace products, such as radar simulation and GPS navigational systems. The Connecticut Advanced Computing Center is an umbrella group with 4 cybersecurity-focused research centers, partnering with Synchrony and Comcast. This team strives to protect many types of electronic media, including online bank accounts, healthcare databases, voter technologies, and many more. The Proof of Concept Center and Connecticut Manufacturing Simulation Center collaborate with smaller companies enabling business growth. The Proof of Concept Center provides companies with state-of-the-art prototyping and fabrication equipment and related support, including product development and manufacturing design. CMSC supports small to medium Connecticut enterprises with sophisticated manufacturing simulation capabilities, for example, finite element modeling of casting and composites. The IPB supports larger gatherings in a flexible workshop space with the latest teleconferencing technology. The IPB labs accommodate $45 million of unique high-tech equipment, a level of resource that cannot be found anywhere else under one roof. Our Advanced Characterization Lab, or ACL, boasts one of the top state-of-the-art electron microscopy facilities in the United States, with X-ray, optical, ion, and electron microscopes. One of the labs in ACL, Reverse Engineering Fabrication, Inspection, and Non-Destructive Evaluation, or REFINE, is a partnership with Zeiss. With advanced microscopy capabilities such as computed tomography, this center generates 3D X-ray scans of a wide range of materials. This enables it to identify counterfeit computer chips or locate microscopic defects in biomedical devices. Thermo Fisher Scientific Center for Advanced Microscopy and Materials Analysis, or CAMA, houses 9 Thermo Fisher electron microscopes, some of the most powerful in the world. Their sophisticated technology can predict product defects before they occur during manufacturing, allowing for faster development of more reliable products. The IPB has robust research programs in the area of aerospace and submarine building, 2 of the strongest sectors in Connecticut. Project Daedalus, a major IPB research program, is developing Connecticut's aerospace industry with support from a $13.5 million contract with the U.S. Air Force. The National Institute for Undersea Vehicle Technology, or NIUVT, partners with Electric Boat, advancing technology and robust workforce development programs in the undersea vehicle domain. The Pratt & Whitney Additive Manufacturing Center focuses on fundamental aspects of metal additive manufacturing, housing commercial and custom-built 3D printers, as well as highly specialized characterization equipment. Metal 3D printing can be used to create a wide range of products, from turbine components for jet engines to prosthetic implants. The Connecticut Center for Applied Separations Technologies, or CCAST, is dedicated to supporting the separations industry. They provide contract R&D services that identify energy and cost-efficient solutions for separations needs, using innovative materials, differentiating techniques, and robust process design. At the IPB at UConn Tech Park, we are enthusiastic to continue offering Connecticut businesses new ways to take advantage of our unique capabilities and fully leverage UConn resources. We look forward to developing the innovative ideas, knowledge, and technology that push our state to the forefront. Our strategic partners are critical to our success. Our combined expertise, high-tech assets, and ingenuity will transform the IPB into a hub for research partnerships that advance the future. The Innovation Partnership Building at UConn Tech Park, UConn, and the state of Connecticut bring research and industry together like never before.